If Tom Ford were launched today, in the age of artificial intelligence, the visual language of the brand might look a bit different. Not louder, not more chaotic, but even more controlled. In this series, I take iconic fashion houses, analyze the DNA of their visual identity, and rebuild them using cinematic AI direction. Welcome to AI Luxury House Study. To understand how to reinterpret a brand through AI, we first need to understand its visual architecture. The world of Tom Ford is built on 3 pillars: precision, sensuality, control. The lighting is never accidental. Skin is sculpted with directional highlights. Fabrics behave like liquid architecture. The silhouettes are sharp, almost surgical. And every frame feels composed with the same discipline you might find in luxury product photography. Luxury fashion is not about spectacle. It's about restraint. So the challenge becomes, how do you use artificial intelligence to amplify the discipline of a luxury brand rather than dilute it? To build this study, I designed a visual blueprint inspired by the codes of Tom Ford. I divided in 3 important direction points: sculptural lighting, material obsession, and minimal composition. Direction. Principle 1. Sculptural lighting. Light should behave like a spotlight in a theater, but cold and harsh, surrounded by misty darkness, where figures are barely revealed. Or white and clean, drawing dramatic shadows. Another characteristic of the Tom Ford's lighting style is how it behaves when illuminates glossy materials. It highlights them and isolates them. Direction. Principle 2. Material obsession. Every surface must feel touchable, sensual, desirable. AI often struggles with material realism, so prompts need to be engineered to prioritize texture fidelity. Always clarify the type of material, its finish, lacquered, polished, matte, color, and include keywords such as macro-detailed if you're doing a product shot, hyper-realistic if you want to be accurate, micro-contrast when there are different textures clashing and they need to be defined. Direction Principle 3. Minimal composition. Tom Ford campaigns avoid visual noise by leaving the subject in a minimal background so the spectator focus on the product, because luxury thrives in negative space. And the frame should feel deliberate, almost architectural. This is where AI direction becomes similar to traditional filmmaking. You're not generating images, you're directing a visual behavior. A campaign like this traditionally would involve a creative director, a photographer, lighting technicians, stylists, production crews, post-production teams. AI doesn't eliminate those roles, but it dramatically changes the speed of experimentation. Entire visual directions can be explored before a single real-world shoot happens. In the next episode, we'll analyze the visual world of Saint Laurent and explore how AI could reinterpret its iconic language of shadow and seduction.